Let's learn Bulgarian. Today's topic, cooking actions.
Приготвям.
To prepare.
Готвя.
To cook.
Режа.
To cut.
Накълцвам.
To chop.
Нарязвам на филийки.
To slice.
Беля.
To peel.
Мия.
To wash.
Изплаквам.
To rinse.
Подсушавам.
To dry.
Варя.
To boil.
Пържа.
To fry.
Пека.
To bake.
Пека на грил.
To grill.
Готвя на пара.
To steam.
Разбърквам.
To stir.
Смесвам.
To mix.
Наливам.
To pour.
Добавям.
To add.
Загрявам.
To heat.
Охлаждам.
To cool.
Сервирам.
To serve.
Опитвам.
To taste.
Овкусявам.
To season.
Отцеждам.
To drain.
Покривам.
To cover.
Режа. Пържа. Наливам.
Want these words to stick? Open FlashcardsLuna.com and practice this set, plus other themed flashcard sets, for free. The link is in the description.